This tutorial guides you through accessing the login interface on the My Mirror Club platform. In this first part of the tutorial, we'll give you a quick overview of the My Mirror Club homepage and show you where everything is located. At the top of the page, you'll find buttons for blogs, templates, and animations, which take you to our store where you can purchase items individually without editing access. You'll also see BoothPal, our booking system for event businesses, along with our web design SEO services and the login option, where members can sign in to unlock more features and access the full platform. As you continue through the landing page, you'll find detailed information about all of the services we provide, including both short and full descriptions, so you can better understand everything available through My Mirror Club. You'll also be able to explore our blog section for tips, ideas, and updates, and view testimonials from users who are already using our platform. This homepage is designed to give you a full picture of what My Mirror Club offers before you log in, become a member, or start creating. Okay, now let's log into where the magic happens and where all animations and templates are created. This is our editor, featuring buttons for add animations, templates and images, add audio, add text, and shapes. You can also view how it works and visit our blogs. The Add Animations and Templates buttons let you explore all available categories. We currently offer over 8,000 ready-made animations and templates that you can load, edit, and publish. And you can also upload your own designs to create something even more custom. You can also visit our YouTube and Facebook channels to stay connected with everything happening in our community. On YouTube, you'll find full tutorials on how to add and edit animations and templates, and on Facebook, you can stay up to date with the latest news, updates, and community activity. Click Become a Member to start the membership registration process, and choose the package that best fits your business needs. The New button allows you to start a new project from scratch. The Menu button gives you access to all the extra features our system provides. Here are all of our menu buttons, offering much more than you can imagine. MyMirrorClub.com provides many powerful features that members of the club should truly take advantage of. My Workspace is where all of your templates and animations are saved for future editing. Photo Gallery lets you create online photo galleries for your events, which you can share with clients and secure with a password. Virtual Photo Booth allows you to create a full virtual photo booth landing page, while Video Guest Book creates a landing page where guests can upload video messages for your client's event. Audio Guest Book works in a similar way, giving you a full landing page where guests can leave audio messages. Photo Mosaic allows you to upload any image and create a live mosaic experience where guests can visit the page, upload their photos, and help build a full mosaic image by the end. Flipbook Album lets you create beautiful online flipbook albums for your clients. You can also build a professional website from our selected templates and get online in minutes, while Landing Page lets you create a page showcasing all the services we are currently mentioning in one place. Promo Videos gives you access to ready-made promotional videos you can download and use. Custom Requests allows you to request anything custom, such as a template, animation, or logo. Free Widget lets you place our full library directly on your website without your clients knowing it comes from us. The Report Issue button lets you notify us of any problems you may have on the platform. You'll also find buttons to become a member, access our booking system BoothPal, and join Arena, home of our own photo booth coin. All of our features have their own video tutorials on each feature page, allowing you to view and learn every feature individually. Thank you for taking the time to watch our full guide on how to navigate our platform and explore everything we offer. With over 1,000 active members around the world, My Mirror Club continues to help photo booth owners create more, do more, and grow their business.